Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Tired of your old DualShock 3? You can absolutely experience modern comfort and precision on your classic PlayStation 3 games, bringing a fresh feel to beloved titles. Many gamers, myself included, truly prefer the ergonomic feel and updated features of the DualShock 4. This simple upgrade can breathe new life into your PlayStation 3 library, significantly enhancing your overall gaming experience with improved control and a familiar, comfortable grip. It's time to elevate your classic gaming. For the ultimate freedom, you can easily pair your DualShock 4 wirelessly via Bluetooth. First, head over to accessory settings on your PlayStation 3, then calmly select Manage Bluetooth Devices. Now, grab your DualShock 4 and hold down both the Share and PlayStation buttons simultaneously until its light bar begins to flash very rapidly. Your PlayStation 3 should then detect Wireless Controller. Simply select it to complete the pairing process. Enjoy the untethered play. Now, here's the crucial part. Direct headset audio through your PlayStation 4 controller on the PlayStation 3 is unfortunately not natively supported. The PlayStation 3's operating system simply doesn't recognize the DualShock 4's built-in audio jack for sound transmission. This means you won't get game audio or chat directly through the controller. Instead, you'll need to connect your headset directly to the PlayStation 3 itself, or consider an alternative audio solution for your full immersive experience. So, what are your headset solutions? You can easily use a wired headset by connecting it directly to your PlayStation 3's USB port, or if available, through its AV multi-out for sound. Alternatively, many Bluetooth headsets that pair directly with the PlayStation 3 are also a perfectly viable option for both game audio and chat. Just remember, full vibration feedback and the PlayStation buttons menu functionality might be limited when using the DualShock 4. Adaptations are sometimes needed. For the best experience, especially in 2025, always ensure your PlayStation 3 system software is updated to the very latest version. This helps with overall compatibility. If your PlayStation 3 struggles with direct Bluetooth pairing, consider a reputable third-party USB Bluetooth adapter for more stable connections. You're now equipped to enjoy modern controller comfort on your classic games, truly revitalizing your gaming setup. Go ahead, dive back into those beloved PlayStation 3 titles with a fresh new feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.